Hi, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Dave in the Kitchen. Today I'd like to show you how I made this nice, good, thin steak. Very delicious, and just follow along with me and I'll show you how I made it. Okay, we're going to use a little bit of virgin olive oil, extra virgin, kind of like that. We're going to use a little bit of liquid smoke. We're going to use a little bit of paprika, give it some color and for flavor as well. We're going to use some meat tenderizing seasoning. Good stuff right there. Followed by some steak seasoning. That's real good stuff. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of soy sauce to my meat. You don't have to, that's your optional. But I like soy sauce on my meat. It gives it a little flavor. Okay, we're going to turn this on. Just had to. Now the main season you want to use on this is some salt. I use sea salt because it's better for you. Regular salt's not that great for you, but sea salt's just as good, tastes the same as regular salt. And I gotta have pepper on this. Some good old black pepper. It kind of burnt me a little bit. Good old pepper. Got a lot of pepper. Okay. I love pepper. Okay, we're gonna check on it. Alright, time to flip it. It's looking good. We can turn the fire off and let that set. Okay, now our eggs are down here. They're letting those fry. Good thing I got this big old thing, because I can just get these. I better keep them out of time, that way I don't break them. You know, like a broken egg. I gotta set this camera down so I can take those off. Okay, I got done cooking my steak and eggs. I want to thank you for watching my channel, and if you ain't subscribed already, hit that bell so you don't miss a notification, and I'll see you next time on the next video.